top view, front view, top layer. Okay, this is the center. These are the 4 pairs of edge pieces. Okay, so we need to fix this parity. Okay, so hold it like this and do this algorithm. Okay, so r prime or small r prime. Okay, this one only. Then u 2. Okay, then small l, this one only. Okay, then f f2. Okay, then l prime, this one only. Then f2. Okay, then r2, this one only. R 2 times. Okay, and then u2, then r again, r, then u2, then r again, r prime, then u2, and then f2, r2. Okay, this one only, and then f2. Okay, see, it's fixed. So our 4 pairs of edge pieces are now fixed. So
Huwag kalimutang
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe.